Hey guys, welcome back to RC Geeks. Today we're going to be changing my caster block, which broke a couple days ago. And I already changed the broken one, but I'll just change the fixed one today. So today I got the part from Atomic RC. The number is 4128R. It's a caster block for a two-wheel drive slash. And it's red, it's alloy. I mean, it's really sturdy, it's really nice. Okay, so to get started, basically all you're going to need is the Traxxas tool to take off the tires and other little things like that, and then an Allen wrench, just a standard little one that you would always. Just a little more. Okay, that's loose, so then you're gonna pull it off. See, it's a little longer than the first one. You could tell the difference. So then the axle carrier would just come off the caster block, and then you're gonna want to unscrew this. So you have nothing left on the old one. And then you're gonna take that same bolt that we had and take it and put it into the new one. And it's gonna go into this hole. In the closer one. So not the first hole, but the second one. And by the way, I'll put this caster block into the description and the link in the link below, so you guys could buy it. It's pretty cheap. And what I'm trying to do with this build is get all the parts to be colorful so it could look really nice. Okay, so after you're done screwing this in, what you're gonna want to do is take the axle carrier, and you're gonna want to like kind of imagine how it would stand like this. So basically it's in, and then you're gonna take the longer one out of the longer and shorter one. You're gonna take the long one, and you're just gonna kind of put it in here, just real nicely, and then you should just be able to screw it in with your fingers. And when you're close to the end, just try to tighten it with like a wrench so that it's tight, nice and tight. Just tighten it up. This is really easy to do because I mean you're not required anything like complex or anything. So just tighten both of them, and you should be left with this. So this is how it's gonna be on the suspension. So then what you're gonna want to do is take your stand or whatever it is that you have, and you're gonna want to put it underneath the car. And then you're gonna try to put this back on. Put it back on. It should be like a really snug fit. It's gonna be kind of hard. And then you're gonna try to get the screw in from the bottom. You kind of have to adjust. Okay, that's in. So then you're gonna take your wrench, and you're just gonna start tightening it. And I mean, it's nothing hard, but I mean, upgrading your parts, not to like alloy, not just keeping it plastic, your car will end up looking so much better, and it'll perform so much better too. It's gonna be so sturdy. Okay, so after that, you're gonna take it and try to adjust it up right like this. And then you're gonna take this arm or whatever you want to call it, and you're gonna try to kind of adjust it, and it should just go on real nicely. Then you're gonna take the small one, well, these two that we took off earlier, the nuts, they're the same size, so I mean there's nothing to confuse there. So then you're gonna try and just screw it on, and then you're gonna take your tool, the smaller end, remember, and then you're gonna take your wrench, because when you're putting it on, it comes off, it unscrews, and then you're just gonna want to tighten it and make it real nice and tight. And like I said, it's gonna be really sturdy when you get different ones, because mine broke. It was almost dead, and someone else with their other car drove into mine, and it just snapped. Like it came off super easy. And then you're gonna take the steering arm, you're gonna put it on, gonna adjust it and just go on. You're gonna take the other nut and screw it on, and then take the wrench, put it on the bottom, and then just tighten it. Like the way they broke it, mine was like, it was almost dead, and it was just kind of like on its last power, and then the kid just drove into it with another slash going full speed, and it just cracked. Like, but that will not happen with these. And basically that's how you change caster block onto your Traxxas Slash, or in my case a Raptor. And then you're gonna take the wheel and just kind of fiddle with it so it could go on. Okay, it's on, and you're gonna just put the bigger nut on. And I mean, it's nothing hard. Make sure to like and subscribe onto our channel, because we're gonna come out with new videos, better parts, how to change them, what's good, what's bad, fun videos, driving videos, new things. So just stay tuned. And that's how you change it. I mean, it looks really nice. It looks really nice. I mean, and imagine having a green suspension arm, or like a blue axle carrier, and the other one is the same, just as this one. So I mean, it looks pretty pretty dang nice, if I do say so myself. So this is how it looks if it's not broken and you repaired it. But let me show you guys what it looked like when mine broke. So this is how it's supposed to look, but this literally, it's so weak that the plastic is so much weaker than alloy that it just snapped off. So it completely, the wheel was just hanging around doing whatever it wanted, and it just cracked off. So guys, be careful, be safe, and catch you guys on the next one.